You've done it in public. Maybe on a bus. Maybe in a bathroom stall at work. Maybe watching a movie you'd never admit made you lose it. Your eyes burned, your throat tightened, and water rolled down your face. For no survival reason whatsoever. No other animal does this. Elephants mourn their dead. They'll stand over a body for days. Wolves howl. Chimps scream. Dogs whimper. But not a single one of them produces tears because they feel something. That's just us. Only us. Out of every species that has ever existed on this planet, humans are the only ones who cry emotionally. Which is kind of bizarre when you think about it. Because crying makes you vulnerable. Your vision blurs. Your breathing gets uneven. You're broadcasting to everyone around you that you can't handle what's happening. In a world where showing weakness got you killed, eaten, attacked, abandoned, why would evolution keep this around? Here's something most people don't know. You produce 3 completely different types of tears. Basal tears, those just keep your eyes wet. Every waking second, you don't notice them. Reflex tears, those flush out onion fumes or dust. And then there's the third kind, psychic tears, emotional tears. Chemically, they're a different substance entirely. William Fry, a biochemist at the University of Minnesota, figured this out in 1985. He collected emotional tears from people watching sad films and compared them to reflex tears from onion exposure. The emotional tears contained something the reflex tears didn't. Leucine and kephalin, a natural painkiller. Also prolactin. Also adrenocorticotropic hormones. Stress hormones your body was literally flushing out through your eyes. You were not just expressing sadness. You were self-medicating. Still, plenty of animals self-soothe. Cats purr when stressed. It promotes bone healing. Dogs lick their wounds. None of that requires advertising your emotional state to everyone in eyeshot. So the painkiller explanation isn't enough. Something else is going on. In 2011, a team at the Weizmann Institute in Israel, led by Noam Sobel, ran an experiment that probably shouldn't have worked. They collected tears from women watching sad films. Then they put those tears on pads under men's noses. No visual cues, no sound, just the chemical presence of tears. The men's testosterone dropped. Their sexual arousal decreased. Their empathy ratings shifted. Tears contain a chemosignal, a message your body sends that other humans can receive without seeing, without hearing, just by being near you. Think about that. Your tears are not just for you. They're a broadcast. A chemical signal floating off your face and entering the bodies of people around you. Changing their hormones, changing their behavior. No sound needed. No words. Oren Hassan, an evolutionary biologist at Tel Aviv University, proposed in 2009 that this is the whole point. Crying evolved as an honest signal. You cannot fake real tears. Try it. Squeeze your eyes shut and push. You might get moisture, but the redness, the swelling, the snot, the specific trembling of the lower lip, those are involuntary. Your body is sending a message it cannot lie about. I am not a threat. I need help. I am lowering my defenses in front of you. And here's where most people get it wrong. They think crying is weakness. Evolutionarily, it's the opposite. Crying is the reason humans could form alliances that no other primate could. Because if you can signal vulnerability honestly, unfakeably, you can build trust at a speed that would otherwise be impossible. You're compressing months of relationship building into one moment. Your tears are saying, I will not hurt you, and I am trusting you not to hurt me. Robert Pravini at the University of Maryland studied something strange in 2009. He found that when you digitally remove tears from photographs of crying faces, just erase the tear streaks, people can no longer tell the person is sad. They read the face as confused or slightly ill. The tears are not a byproduct of the emotion. They are the signal. Without them, the message doesn't arrive. Babies figured this out before any of us. A newborn can't speak, can't point, can't explain what's wrong, but it can cry. And that cry changes everything in the adult brain. Cortisol spikes, attention narrows, you physically cannot ignore it. It's probably the first social technology our species ever developed. Before language, before art, before fire, maybe tears. There's something else nobody talks about. Happy tears. Tears at weddings. Tears when you see your kid do something for the first time. Why would a positive emotion trigger the same response as grief? Probably because And the science is still messy on this. Your body doesn't actually distinguish the intensity of emotions very well. It distinguishes intensity from non-intensity. Overwhelming joy and overwhelming sorrow hit the same circuits. The tears aren't saying, "I'm sad." They're saying, "I have lost control of my composure, and I'm showing you that." Which brings it all back. You're sitting on that bus with wet eyes and you feel embarrassed, exposed, like your body betrayed you. Except it didn't betray you. It did exactly what 200,000 years of evolution designed it to do. It told every human near you something true about your internal state without a single word. A signal so honest it cannot be forged. A vulnerability so precise it builds bonds faster than language ever could. No other species on this planet can do that. Not one. So the next time your eyes sting in public and you fight it, just know that what you're suppressing isn't weakness. It's the oldest, most honest language your body has. Older than words. Older than names. Something that kept your ancestors alive not by making them tougher, but by making them trustworthy. If you want more videos like this, subscribe now.